Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post market report. What a terrible market today. Most of the investors will be happy today, but today the volatility in the market might have been damaged a lot of traders, especially the option sellers. First, let's go to the chart of the Nifty. This morning, Nifty opened with a gap up opening. Within 25 minutes from the opening itself, Nifty started to fall. By 11 o'clock, Nifty made its intraday low today, 24,295. But by 12 p.m., the Nifty started to rise, and within a time of 20 minutes, Nifty rose more than 300 points. And from there, by 2:38 p.m., Nifty made its intraday all-time high today, that is 24,857. But around 2:50 p.m., within 10 minutes time, Nifty fell more than 330 points. Nifty came down from 24,830 to 24,500 levels. But within 15 minutes, Nifty again recovered 250 points and closed above 24,700. Today, Sensex made an intraday movement of more than 1,900 points. Nifty is made more than 550 points, and Bank Nifty nearly made 1,000 points intraday movement. Today, major indices in India are closed with positive sentiments, and Nifty IT is up about 2%. The main rally in Nifty IT was due to the positive speech delivered by the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, and Nifty IT made today the record all-time high. Top gainers in Nifty today are TCS, Infosys, Titan Company, Trend, and Dr. Reddy's Lab. While losers include SBI Life Insurance, Bajaj Auto, HDFC Life, NTPC, and Grasim. Except PSU Bank and Realty, all the other major indices closed with positive sentiments today. Even though the India VIX today traded above 15, the India VIX closed below 15. Today, the option premiums for this weekly expiry as well as for the next week skyrocket today due to the huge fall in Nifty and thereafter the huge rise too. After SEBI curbing the daily expiry of many indices, today was the first section of the weekly expiry of Nifty, but unfortunately it was heavily volatile ahead of the RBI monetary policy on tomorrow. So tomorrow is the expiry of Sensex. There are two events, the RBI policy as well as the expiry of Sensex. So tomorrow also the market will be very volatile. The rating agency Nauma predicts about 0.25 basis point cut in the interest rate by RBI. On last time, that was the 9th consecutive section, the RBI kept the interest rate unchanged, and the rating agency Nauma gives overweight rating to India, while China gets neutral rating. When we come into the global markets now, Dow Jones future is now trading slightly negative. European markets, FTSE, CSE and DAX are trading with positive sentiments. When we come into the Asian markets, the sentiments is mixed. Traders who are carrying positions for tomorrow, especially in options. If you get chance in the early morning before the RBI monetary policy outcome, you can square off your position, and after once the decision comes out, you can re-enter. Even if you lose a little profit, you will have peace of mind, and it will increase the success probability in your trade. Stock in news. Indus Tower share today's rallies 5% because Vodafone Global PLC exited about 3% of its stake through block deal. Indraprastha Gas Limited share today rallies more than 5% ahead of the bonus issue plans. CDSL today stock hits record all-time high by rising 8%, aimed heavy volumes. PG Electroplast stock today hits a record all-time high after the launch of its QIP about rupees 1,500 crore. Genus Power stock hits 5% lower circuit today as Enforcement Directorate conducts search operations. Hyundai Motor by next year, January 1st of 2025 onwards, the company is going to increase the price of all its segments. Agarwal Toughened Glass. Today was the listing day in NSE and stock gains 25% listing gain from its IPO price. Centec today share rises more than 2.5% on strategic pact with Florida-based stimulation company. Disclaimer: please do not make any investment decisions based on my video because I am not a SEBI registered person. I am doing this video is for you and for me for educational purpose only. Hope all you got the informations. Thanks for watching.